Have you ever wondered when the Canadian flag was first raised? Quite intriguing, isn't it? On a cold winter's day, the 15th of February in 1965 to be exact, the maple leaf, also known as the Canadian flag, was hoisted for the very first time. This wasn't just any ordinary event. It was a significant moment, marking the creation of a symbol that would go on to represent the nation's pride and identity. This flag, with its bold red and white colors, was designed to reflect the values that define Canada: peace, unity, and diversity. Over the decades, it has grown to become more than just a piece of cloth fluttering in the wind. It's a symbol that resonates in the hearts of Canadians, a beacon of their shared pride and identity. Indeed, the raising of the Canadian flag marked a significant moment in history, a beacon of pride and identity for the nation. But what does the bold red and white maple leaf symbolize, you might ask? Well, it's more than just a design. It's a powerful symbol that carries significant meaning for all Canadians. The Canadian flag, with its iconic red and white color scheme and the solitary maple leaf, is a representation of the values that define the nation. The flag is a vivid symbol of peace, unity, and diversity, values that Canadians hold dear. Let's start with peace. The Canadian flag's design was born in a time of change and optimism, a time when the idea of peace was something that Canadians wanted to embody and project to the world. And so, the maple leaf in its bold red color stands as a beacon of peace in a tumultuous world. Next, let's talk about unity. The maple leaf is singular, a single entity, but look closer and you'll see that it's made up of multiple parts, each one unique, yet all contributing to the whole. That's unity for you, the coming together of diverse elements to form a powerful, cohesive whole. This unity is reflected in the Canadian society, a melting pot of cultures, languages, and traditions, all under one flag. And finally, diversity. The maple leaf, in its simplicity, represents the diversity that is Canada. Each point on the leaf symbolizes the different provinces and territories, each with its unique culture, landscape, and people. Yet they all come together, unified under the maple leaf. So, you see, the Canadian flag with its bold red and white colors and the solitary maple leaf is more than just a piece of cloth. It's a representation of the values that Canadians hold dear. It's a symbol of their identity, their pride, and their unity in diversity. So the maple leaf isn't just a design, it's a vibrant representation of the values that bind Canadians together. The Canadian flag doesn't just fly within the country's borders, it has graced the world stage too. It's impossible to miss the bold red and white maple leaf at international events. From the hustle and bustle of the Olympics to the solemn gatherings at peace summits, the Canadian flag stands tall, a beacon of unity, peace, and diversity. Over the years, this emblem has become more than just a flag. It's an ambassador, representing Canada's spirit and values globally. It commands a sense of pride and respect, not just among Canadians, but across the world. Every time it's hoisted, it sends a powerful message, one of a nation that embraces diversity, stands for peace, and exudes unity. So the next time you see the maple leaf flying high at an international event, remember the values it stands for. From local celebrations to global platforms, the Canadian flag stands tall, reflecting the spirit and values of the nation. Every February 15th, a special celebration takes place across Canada. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's National Flag of Canada Day, a day when Canadians from all walks of life unite to honor and celebrate our cherished national symbol, the maple leaf. This is not just a day to hoist a flag, it's a day to reflect on the values it represents: peace, unity, and diversity. Communities across the country mark the day with flag-raising ceremonies, parades, and various activities, each one a testament to the pride and identity of our diverse nation. We've heard heartwarming stories from Canadians, sharing what the flag means to them. For many, it's a symbol of unity, freedom, and the beautiful diversity that defines Canada. As we celebrate National Flag of Canada Day, remember the values it represents and the unity it instills. So wave that maple leaf high and keep the spirit of Canada alive. Happy National Flag of Canada Day, everyone.